Welcome back to the channel, YouTubians. Pat Credit Skill Dreams. First off, I just want to thank everyone for the support, new subscribers. Really appreciate you guys, old and new viewers as well. So today is another installment of Model Cars and Coffee. It's afternoon here. I didn't have any time this morning to do my video, so I've already had my coffee. But I do have my coffee cup here that this one just stays up here. I don't really use it. So thank you, Paul, for hosting this. Paul over at Left Coast Model Car Builds. Appreciate you hosting this. Everybody obviously looks forward to Sunday, and I look forward to watching videos from you guys, and of course doing the video. I haven't made all of them. There's a few I missed. I was at work, so got the time now. I want to get this done, even though it's in the afternoon. It's 1 o'clock. But we'll have a look at this model. I built this one probably about 17 years ago. I think it was my second polish job that I ever did. So one of the first ones anyway. It was the first time I ever did any kind of body modifications to, I don't do a lot anyway, but I did a cowl hood on this one, scratch built from styrene sheet. And so yeah, let's get you turned around here. Okay, so this is AMT's 1967 Chevelle Pro Street kit. I'm sure most of us know this kit. I've only ever had one of these, so obviously I built it. But a lot of people use this kit for a donor kit for making other Pro Streets. So yeah, anyways, I built mine quite a number of years ago. Like I said, one of my early polish jobs. This is all Model Master paints. Definitely could use a waxing. It's kind of dirty. So it's black and blue pearl on the top. So this is a two-tone with oh, I can't remember the name of this purple paint, but it's, or yeah, maybe this was black and blue pearl and this was no, I can't remember now what the top one is. But yeah, that's black and blue pearl. And can't remember what this charcoal black something pearl. Anyways, and then I used the 67 California wheels release decals on it. They kind of crinkled up on me. And then it was cleared. I can't remember what I used for clear, but paint is definitely not perfect, but it looks good. So just kind of did some wiring underneath. Parts box, wheels and tires. I didn't use the kit ones. So I tried to make some M&H slicks for it. These were four of these front. I can't remember where I got these, but I put a deep dish in the back one. Made it a deep dish. Let's see, put a bunch of stuff in the interior, like speakers, nitrous, scratch built the shifter for it, scratch built the, let's see if we can get a better view at these. scratch built the harnesses, racing harness, 5 points. Like I said, I did the cowl hood from styrene. It's got hood pins. So I also made this this center body line just like it was in the with the regular hood. So that's all styrene. Put some material in here. So that's that. Just did a bunch of wiring in here. This lifts off. Mesh for the air filter. I wired that all out. Opened up the grill. It was pretty difficult, pretty tough. And I believe this one was missing a piece I had to add. And then also I put these hood pins. Made them hanging down so I could take the hood off. Made a little switch here on the back. Added some brass rod for the connector here. All in all, pretty cool build. Not the best paint or anything like that, but it's a cool build, I think. So yeah, that's my 67 Pro Street. Oh, looks like I lost a pin. It's there, but it's not sticking up. Yeah, it fell down in there. To pull it up, re-glue it, I guess. But yeah, it's got a pretty decent stance on it. I did lower it in the back because it sat way up high, and I just wanted it to sit lower, so I did lower it. Bare metal foil in the trim, and then because these were all, this was a 3-in-1 parts pack, so all the chrome in all 3 of those were pretty bad, so I think that's just a duplicolor chrome I did the bumpers in. But it's a fun build for sure. So yeah, so that's it for me for this video, and I hope prayers for everyone that needs them. I know there's guys out there that definitely need the prayers, so we'll send that out, and hope everyone's having a good Sunday, and we'll talk to you all soon. Thanks. Pat out, Modelon. Thank you very much.